Okay, so we've got the walls in. Let's add a floor. If I go to the Home tab, if I go to Floor, and I go to the option that lets me create the floor, the current level, notice that the option exists where I can come in and make my choice as to how I'm drafting the floor up here, and I'll see different choices down on the options bar. I'm going to choose the option that says pick lines, and I'm also going to say that it should automatically lock to the lines that I pick. I want you to notice that the technique that I'm using at the moment is putting me in what's called sketch mode. So I'm going to draw a two-dimensional sketch, and then when I'm finished I click the checkbox. Now this same technique applies to multiple other objects like ceilings, roofs. So once you get this technique down once, you're good. I'm going to move over the wall, and I'm going to hit the tab key until I see the inside face of my concrete masonry unit, and click. You notice it's already locked. I'm going to come over here and tab through and click. I want to point out that it's very important that you don't end up with a sketch where the closed shape lines overlap, so I'm going to have to fix that at the end, and this is all down to technique, but I'm going to tab through the end here to find the inside face, accept, and it's locked, and then I'm going to do it one more time on this side. And then I can't finish without cleaning this up. If I try to, I'll get a message that says lines can't intersect, and this is typical of Revit. It'll tell you what the problem is so that you know how to fix it. So I'm just going to say continue. How am I going to fix this? I'm going to go to the option that says trim, and what I'm going to do is just trim the lines like this, the part that I'm keeping, the part that I'm keeping, until I've got a closed shape. And then when I'm finished, I can say okay, I'm done. So it put a generic floor in on this part of the building, but you just saw me use a technique in the walls where I can easily change from generic to finished. I'm just going to leave it at that. So let's stop at that.